Hi, I'm Apurva Sheth and I welcome you to this latest edition of Fast Profits Daily. Now today I'm going to talk about a unique profit signal. This signal is very rare, but whenever it occurs, it presents a huge profit making opportunity to anyone who's tracking it. So what is this signal all about and what you should do when it occurs? Have a look at this chart. The biggest central bank in the world, the US Federal Reserve, generates this signal. How does it generate the signal and what you should do when it does? Well, the answer is simple. When the Fed starts to aid the economy, that's your signal to buy gold. Before the Fed started pumping money directly into the financial system, it relied on cutting the federal funds rate to stimulate the economy. The federal funds rate is simply what banks charge one another to borrow money. Now, cutting interest rate changes the behavior of borrowers and lenders, but it can be slow to influence the economy. Some people even say that it's like pushing with a string. Nevertheless, it was enough to make a difference back during the dot-com bubble burst. So the Fed began cutting rates in January 2001. That was the first signal to buy gold. Now here's the chart. Fed cut interest rates from 6.5% to 6% in January 2001. Gold was trading at $267 per ounce. The Fed brought down the rates closer to 1% in less than a year. Gold's rally had just begun and the best was yet to come. 3 years later, gold rallied to a high of $402 per ounce. Now that's a gain of 51%. The next Fed-driven gold bull market began during the financial crisis in 2008. Now let's have a closer look. The Fed continuously slashed rate during the crisis in 2008, but it also did something unusual as the traditional method of cutting interest rates wasn't moving the needle much. So the US Fed started pumping money directly into the banking and financial systems by printing money to buy bonds. The Fed began cutting rates from September 2007. Now that was the signal to buy gold. Gold was trading at $743 per ounce. Within a year's time, rates were down to 0.25% and they stayed there for a very long time. Now gold had rallied up to $1,308 per ounce in 3 years from the day Fed began cutting rates. Now that's a gain of 76%. The first round of quantitative easing began on November 25th, 2008. The Fed did 4 rounds of QE or quantitative easing over the next few years. Gold moved even higher over the next 1 year. It reached to $1,746 per ounce by November 2011. Now that was a total gain of 135% since the first day Fed began cutting rates. Now here's the most recent signal. The Fed started raising rates once the economy stabilized in 2016. The rates peaked out at 2.5% in December 2018. But last year, the Fed started cutting rates once again. As on March 15, 2020, when the coronavirus pandemic was spreading like wildfire, it cut rates to 0.25%. So effectively, the rates were zero once again. Gold was around $1,426 per ounce when the Fed started cutting rates. A week later, Fed chairman Jerome Powell said that the central banks would do whatever it takes to support the economy. This means unlimited quantitative easing. On 9th of April, the Fed announced its biggest ever bond buying program of $2.3 trillion. So this was the biggest ever QE that the Fed has ever done. Now this is your signal to buy gold. If the past signals are anything to go by, then gold could see a phenomenal rally over the next 2 to 3 years. History may not repeat exactly, but it certainly rhymes. The way coronavirus and the lockdown is affecting businesses and economies, the 2008 recession may be nothing compared to what we may have to witness. So gold could be the best way to protect yourselves. I hope you are listening to this very carefully. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel as well. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Also, don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily. If you sign up to this newsletter right now, then you would get access to this free guide, how to trade the markets like a pro. So don't miss this chance and sign up right now.